Today we are flying the Rekon 6 and I love the Rekon line, but the TPU of the antenna mount really sucks. My god, it's always ripping out. The Rekon 6, 5 and 4, all my Rekon quads have the same problem. Besides that, I really enjoy flying the Rekon line, especially the Rekon 6. So let's take it out today for a spin at the new flight location at the beach and dive right in, not the ocean, but the flight, after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Let's take out the Rekon 6 for a spin over the ocean today. Enjoy the flight, guys! I really like how the Rekon 6 flies. It's hanging stable in the air and delivers a very relaxing FPV experience. I enjoy freestyle and push myself really hard to get better. But sometimes having a nice cruise can be really rewarding and relaxing. That is why I recently decided to build the EOS Falcon 7. I hope you enjoy that content as well. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that would really help out a lot. Stay safe, have a great rest of the day and see you in the next one.